Sizixoxa sisemakhawini phezulu kulapho ke kunzinze khona ihlangano yezohathi SABC eAuckland Park. Nanzi ezithujileko.
I today announced that I will not seek re-election for a third term as the DA federal leader at the party's upcoming federal congress.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen uthi uyilime kwanela indima yokuba umholi we-DA akabuyele kwehlandla elisako.
I send this warrant to Mr. Makala for him wherever he sees Mr. Khawula.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwebona kwaphuma ijima lokubotsha kwakasaziwako enkundleni zokuthintana uMusa Khawula ngomyalo wesekela likaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uKhassel Mathale.
I don't have the emotional strength for all of this and I resigned. That's why I'm saying I was pushed to resign.
Umnqophisi walokhu wephiko lezokuchuchiswa komphakathi uAdvocate Moiponi Nuku utshele ikundla ephenyako kaNkabinde bona khabe enza umsebenzi wakhe ngefanele bagcina sebamsozisa. Kingena nokuthokoza nethabo elikhulu kwazi bona vele bese leni ngilindile. NginguCedric Mwebya lochane emakhaya. Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona kwadoswa izisetshenziswa eziningi zemapholiseni bona kuyokubotshwa usaziwako wenkundleni zokuthintana uMusa Khawula ngemva kokuthi batsho igandelelo lavela kusekela likaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uKhassel Mathale. Lokhu kuvele ufakazi obizwa ngoWitness F nakachukwa ngembuzo ngemlayezo yeWhatsApp eveza bona wathumela incwadi egunyaza ukubotshwa kwakaKhawula kuVusimuzi Khet Matlala nokuthi ucabhela kwepolitiki ngikho okwagcina kwenze bona uKhawula abotshwe.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi isekela likaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uKhassel Mathale wafaka igandelelo phezu kwesekela likaKomitjhinara wamapholisa elijanyisiweko emsebenzini isikhuluma nje uShadrack Sibiya ukuthi batsho abophe usaziwako enkundleni zokuthintana uMusa Khawula.
Your evidence was that it was reported to you by General Sibiya that he had been pressurized by the Deputy Minister to do this.
That's correct.
And who was the Deputy Minister at that stage who you understood to have pressurized General Sibiya?
Mr. Khassel Mathale.
Ikomishini le ibuye yezwa nokuthi ufakazi F wakhupha umyalo wokubotshwa kwakaKhawula ngelanga ekhabe angekho ngalo emsebenzini ekulilanga ekhabe racisa ngalo ngenithuthu walayela ama-unit amanye ukuthi ayokusahlela abophe uKhawula okhabe angasiyingozi.
You had a Hawks officer, you had the Gauteng tracking team. What risk or danger did Mr. Khawula pose?
I assume that he phoned the tracking team because the tracking team was user-friendly to him. Most of the cases he was using the tracking team. I sent this warrant to Mr. Makala for him wherever he sees Mr. Khawula.
Imileyo yeWhatsApp ibuye yatshengisa ukuthi ufakazi F wathumela incwadi yokubotshwa kukaMusa Khawula kuVusimuzi Khet Matlala osolwa ngobelelesi kanti nakho lokho kuphakamise amehlo ekomishinini kaMadlanga.
If you were giving him this document to effect an arrest, you were basically asking him to do something that's not authorized by the warrant and therefore that is unlawful.
Ukulalela kwekomishini kuyaraka.
Asiqale umbono wakho ngalendaba mraro yalezi zokubotshwa kwakasaziwako uMusa Khawula nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Yabonakala ukuthi vele lezi ikhule phezulu bezama ukumthulisa wasethinte idlaka ezirong.
Nasejele lapha abayenze ukuthi bacaphele ngoba bazombulala.
ngeke aphile isikhathi. Yabona nabofakazi abafuna ukuvela.
Yabona manje bazoyeka ukukhuluma noma yini la ko Facebook no WhatsApp lana kuma social media nje umuntu uzoyeka ukukhuluma noma yini.
I-politician nabanqevu abafuni tu into bana uveze amanyundululo abawenzayo. Yo hayi.
Akuthusi ngokhetha imanhlala into efanele yenzeke la ukuthi kuboshwe amadoda ngoba zigebengu impela ngqulisi.
Angibona kaningi kuvela igama la ka Kate Matlala kule commission yaMadlanga commission. Ngazi vele ukuthi ubaba lo kanti yena onabangana bangaki.
Usakhawula kuyasifundisa ukuthi fanele sizithibe ebantwini uma bangumsolwela ngoba phela nawe ungasibona sobotshiwe ngaleyo ndlela.
Umbona ngembukele SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Umnqophisi walokho wephiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi uAdvocate Moiponi Nuku utshele ikundla ephenyako kaNkabinde bona wasunduzwa bona agcine athoza umsebenzi ephikweni lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi ngoNtaka ka2021. Unokuthi babemjezisela ukuthi wagunyaza ukuvulela amacala isikhulu sama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal uGeneral Major Johan Boysens namalunga wephiko lamapolisa eKhathomena ukuziqhemisa ebesaziwa ngokuthi yi-Death Squad.
Umnqophisi wozokutshutshiswa komphakathi KwaZulu-Natal waphambilini uAdvocate Moiponi Nuku uhidle isililo nakethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomishini kaNkabinde nakakhumbula amalanga akhe wokugcina kwa-NPA. Utshele ikomishini ephenyako le ukuthi wabizwa ngamaganyana atsho ukuthi ugoliwe nakalandelela indaba yamacala abekwe uMajor General Johan Boysens kunye namalunga weunithi yamapolisa iKhathomena.
He was establishing a commission the same way as she has done with Advocate Chauke against me. That's when I felt I don't have the emotional strength for all of this and I resigned. That's why I'm saying I was pushed to resign.
Uadvocate Nuku utshele ikomishini le ukuthi kwakukuphambana nokulunga ukuthi umphathi weNPA uShamila Patohi achithe amacala ayebekwe uBoysen kunye neunity yeKhathomena. Uadvocate Nuku uthi iunity le kwazwakala bona yabulala abasolwa aba-28 nokuthi intatimende zabofakazi nobufakazi bezesayensi bebutshayisana nemibiko ethi ukudumuzwa kwephikweni kwakusenzo sokuzivikela.
Was that the police created an impression at every scene of murder that the deceased people were posing some danger at them and they are alleged to have planted firearms, which according to ballistic reports, most of them were not functional or did not match the cartridges that were found on the scene.
Nakabuzwa ngomthetho womnqophisi wozokutshutshiswa komphakathi wokusebenza ngaphandle kwamandla wesikhundla sakhe njengendaba yomnqophisi weNPA eGauteng ojanyisiwe kwesikhuluma nje uAndrew Chauke yokusebenza ngamacala weKZN, uAdvocate Nuku utshele ikomishini ephenyako lo ukuthi akhange abona kunomraro ngalokho.
Understanding is that as the head of the organization, the NPA as a whole, the NDPP may, delegate or give ad hoc duties to any DPP to go do matters wherever in the country. That was my understanding. That's why I didn't find it odd.
Ukulalelwa kwekomishini kuzokuragela phambili ngelesine lapha kulindeleke khona ukuthi uNuku arage nokuthula ubufakazi bakhe.
Umholi weDemocratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen uthi angeke angenele ikhetho lokuba umholi wehlangano le kuthemi yesithathu. Utsho lokhu nabe kakhuluma nembikindaba eThekwini ekukulapho akhulela khona. uSteenhuisen uthi uyisebenzele kuhle ihlangano le njengoba aveze zonke inthembiso zakhe azenza ngo2019.
This is not the end of the road for the DA, and it's certainly not the end of the road for me. The way I see it is that there's an important next mission that beckons for our party.
Ngemva kokudosa phambili ihlangano leyamathema amabili, uSteenhuisen ubeka phasi uthokoza abalandeli kunye namalunga wehlangano yakhe ngesisekelo abamuphelona. Isimemezelo sakhe siza ngesikhathi la hlatshwa khona amalunga omphakathi ngemva kwensolo zokuthi usebenzisa ikarata lebhanka lehlangano wazithengela ukudla. Kodwa uhlanjululo ngemva kwephenyo lehlangano. ukuthokoza umsebenzi kwaKodokotela Dion George njengongqongqotjhe wezamahlathi ukuthiya kwemfisi nebhoduluko umnyaka opheleleko utshubisa izinto ehlanganweni le. UDokotela George wasola uSteven Hazen ngezinto ezimbalwa kufaka ukungasebenzisi kuhle imali. uSteven Hazen uvumile bona kubudisi ukudosa phambili ihlangano le ikisibe ngahlanye ungongqongqotjhe wezokulima.
I now have another mission, and it is urgent. For the rest of this term of office, I will focus all of my time and energy as Minister of Agriculture on defeating the most devastating foot and mouth disease outbreak our country has ever seen, and to pursue the mass vaccination to ensure that this is the last mass outbreak of FMD that our country ever sees.
uSteven Hazen uzokusekela umkhulu olandelako ihlangano le.
The next duly elected DA leader can rely on my full support and will be given the space to lead the party as they see fit. For the true test of whether you love a thing is the ability to let it go when the time is right.
Ihlangano ye-DA iyokubamba iconference yobuholi ngesihlabantangana.
EFF ithi ayizukuphela amandla ukufikela la kuphuma khona isahlulelo secala leplasa likaMengameli iPhalaphala nabe kakhuluma nababika indaba embuthanweni othethe amalanga amathathu ngempela veke. Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uphakamise nokuthi umbiko wokthoma wekomithini kaMadlanga awuvezwe etshatshalazini.
I-EFF ilila ngokuriyadiswa kwesahlulelo ecaleni lePhalaphala ikhothe ephakemeko elizweni. Umholi wehlangano le uJulius Malema uthi kuyarara ukuthi sele kuphele umnyaka kodwana akunaragelo phambili malungana nesahlulelo endabeni le.
Prolonged silence from the apex court therefore undermines public confidence in the judiciary and creates the perception of selective agency when political power is implicated.
Ubuze nangefihlo embikweni wangaphambi kwesikhathi ekomitshinini kaMadlanga. Ikomishini le yathumela umbiko wayo waphambi kwesikhathi kuMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa mhla amalanga ali-17 kuNobayeni nyakenye.
Concerned that the interim report is not being made public and that some implicated persons have not yet been heard in full before the commission.
uMalima ubuye godi walila nangalokho akuhlathulula njengokukhukhuleka kobuholi bamambala eParliament.
Some matters, it is necessary to note with serious concern the continued erosion of Parliament's authority, particularly following the Speaker of Parliament, Togo Didiza's refusal to authorize subpoenas for the Brown Mokgotsi and Paul O'Sullivan.
Ihlangano le ikandelele ukuthi ikomishini ezijameleko yekhetho iIEC iyasolisa uyisola ngokwenza ubukhohlakali ukusekela iANC ngesikhathi samakhetho.
Nasibuya entolo.
The court best suited to decide whether the deaths of Messias Maino and Tetat has caused Mr. Zuma and Thales irredeemable or insurmountable trial prejudice.
Ikhothe ephakemeko yePietermaritzburg isiragile isibawo sokuthi bangasatshutshiselwe icala labo lokuthengiselana inkhali ngobukirikitshana umengameli walokhu uJacob Zuma kunye nekampani ethengisa inkhali iThales. Siyakwamukela na uqeda ukungena mbukeli zisekhona indaba kanti nazi kuphundilekwa uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Ikhothe ephakemeko yePietermaritzburg isiphayile isibawo sekampani ethengisa inkhali iThales nesaloyo bekangumengameli uJacob Zuma sokudlulisela kwecala labo kwenye ikhothe esibaweni sabo sokuthi kujanyiswe icala labo lokuthengiswa kwenkhali ngobukirikitshane. Ikampani le ifake isibawo esikuthomeni komnyaka opheleko yathi ukubhubha kwabofakazi ababili abaqhakathekileko kuthikazise ukutshutshiswa kwabo ngaphandle kokuthatha ihlangothi. Kanti nakusesenjalo ijaji uNkosinathi Ichili uzokwethula isahlulelo sesibawo sombuso sokukhandela uZuma nekampani le ukuthi bariyadise icala labo ukuya phambili.
Ibhalelwe kodi imizamo kaJacob Zuma nekampani eThales ababili ababhalelwe kunikela ikhotho amabanga wokuthi kuba yini kufanele kujanyiswe ukujutshisa kwabo ecaleni labo lokuthengisa kwengikhali ngobukirikitshani. Ithales igandelela ukuthi kuzokuthathwa ihlangothi ecaleni labo njengoba nakubhubha abofakazi ababili abaqhakathekileko uPierre Maynon no-Alain Tetart ebebanqophisi balokhu abekampani leSouth Africa. Ijaji utshilo uthi akabona ukuthi enye ikhotho izokubona ngelinye ilihlo endabeni le.
In my judgment, I found that the court best suited to decide whether the deaths of Messias Maynon and Tetart has caused Mr. Zuma and Thales irredeemable or insurmountable trial prejudice is the trial court, whose duty it is to consider the impact of the non-availability of Messias Maynon and Tetart in the light of all the evidence presented to court.
Ijaji utshilo uthi ikhotho ephakemeko yokuzibilayeza ichugulula imigomo yokufaka isibawo sokudlulisela kwecala kwenye ikhotho esahlulelweni esethulwe ngomnyaka opheleleko.
Kodwa ijaji la libe clear la cha izethulo zenu azikwazi ukuthi zingiconvince noma zingishintshe umqondo ukuthi ukhona la nizophumelela khona. Mina ngokubona kwami icala lena fanele ngabe liyaqala liyaqulwa la eKwaZulu-Natal.
Nakusesenjalo kuthuliselwe ngosihlabandangana ukwethula kwesahlulelo sesibawo sombuso sokukhandela uZuma nekampani le ukuthi bariyadise icala labo kuya phambili. Umbuso ufuna liragele phambili icala nanyana abasolwa aba bangafaka ezinye imbawo godu. Umbuso ukandelela ukuthi ukuriyada kwecaleli iminyaka eli-18 nkona isithunzi sokusebenza komthetho.
Izakhamuzi ze-Ivory Park eGauteng seziyokuqeda iveke yesithathu zinganamanzi begodwa zithi impilo yazo ayisabekezeleleki. Imindeni le ithi ukuvala kwamanzi kuthinta kumbi abantwana abaliyeka ukuya esikolweni njengoba na ezinye izakhamuzi zihlaga ekufumaneni ezinye indawo ekutholakala kizo amanzi. Izakhamuzi zibawe uhulumende wendawo wesifunda nelizwe libona bangenelele msinya.
7 days not coming out, and we must go a long distance to fetch the water there at the Tembisa. And when we get there at the Tembisa, we must get along of the long line. So we are up at Tembisa, we are fighting for water, and here we have 7 days. Our councillor is not corresponding us.
Lezakhamuzi zithi uhulumeni akangenelele ngokusheshsha.
Government asincede nkosi yami asinamanzi akhuluma iqiniso ukuthi kuyenzakalani uRamaphosa sitshela ukuthi kuyenzakalani abanye ngoba sizo bathi leyo phathi yepipe ithengiswe eChina kanjani waye nangakhuluma njenge president yethu isincede nje kuphela
namabhizinisi asendaweni ayafadabala ngenxa yokungabi khona kwamanzi.
We need government to attend this matter very urgently because we have a crisis where the community are no longer getting water.
Iphathimandla endaweni zithi ziyayazi lengqinamba kodwa ke seyizame konke okusemandleni kodwa ke amathanga amanzi akhona njengesisombululo sesikhashana.
We had roving trucks here. I had individuals from this informal settlement. I had a guy by Lakisha Bangu, who's a resident of informal settlement, that I requested him to personally come and deliver a water tanker here to them specifically yesterday. But moving forward from here, we are dedicated and determined to work with them. I understand their frustration, but we are determined to work with them.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngise-Ivory Park.
Kezemali iranda lihlile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngelesithathu nabobujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke amathuba nge-30% ukusuka lapha kuboMahikeng ukwehlela eUppington nangale ke ngeKapa lodumo athi ukuqina ke amathuba wezulu lapha ke emkhawulweni walapha eEastern Cape nangapha ngeWestern Cape nge-80% kanti ungenelela esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa nge-60% kanti ke ngapha ngeGauteng sibona ligubuzese ngamafu siyoqala ukuthi kusasa amathuba lawa abanjani 80% leya iba inengana esifundeni sangale ke ngeMpumalanga Kapa kanti nge-30% sesenjalo ke esifundeni sangale ke ngeNorthern angithi lapha ke eTlhagwini Kapa nge-30%. Asiyokucala ke ukuthi ngisiphi isilemukiso esisitholileko ngawo amathuba la wezulu. Sibona lapha ke imjijo iduma kumbi khulukhulu ke endaweni zangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa, Tshejani, Niyelele. Kusasa ke imjijo iduma kumbi ifika nalapha endaweni zangaleke ngeFreystata. Lapha eUppington ikhonakalo yomlilo wemango. Siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kanjani ke amazinga okuchisa isifunda sangapha ngeGauteng siyachisa sonke, ePitori nge-31 neBronckhorstspruit, eJohannesburg nge-30 Springs, iCarltonville neVereeniging amathuba nge-30 degrees Celsius. Sokucala lapha ke isifunda sangale ngeLimpopo naso ke siyachisa endaweni eziningi, kusephulukwane lapha kufuthumele khona nge-29, Mokopane nge-33, Phalaborwa nge-32. Kusempumalanga ke lapha nakhona ke endaweni eziningi kuyachisa, boMiddelburg eMalahleni 31, 30, Sekunda nge-32, Sikhukhuza nge-35, Mtshetshe ke ngapho kuyachisa iKwaZulu Natal naso ke isifunda siyachisa sonke, eMnambithi nge-37, eRichards Bay nge-36. Kanti ke nasiyokucala lapha ePumalanga Kapa isifunda naso ke siyachisa, noma silindelwe lizulu njaya liza kuthoma ngokuthi lichise ndangi. Siyalapha ke esifundeni sangale ngeTjingalanga Kapa, siyasibona ke ukuthi naso isifunda endaweni ezingale ngeSewula sibona lapha kufuthumele, na utshinga phezulu nesifunda siyabonakala ukuthi siyachisa. Lapha eBeaufort West khona ke kubuya ngane nge-29. Lapha ke Northern Cape sibona iSpringboks futhumele, nalapha eSutherland kuthi ezinye indawo zonke sesifunda sange Northern Cape kuyachisa hle, Kimberley nge-36, Uppington nge-37. Lapha kuseFreystata nakhona kuyachisa endaweni eziningi noma amathuba wezulu atholakele njaya. Siyokucala lapha ke eNorth West kokugcina sifunda naso ke endaweni eziningi siyachisa lapha eMayeke nge-34, iRustenburg nge-34, kanti ke endaweni ezilapha kubo Ottosdal nge-33. Asibonane godu ngesikhathi esilandelako. Tido.
Ziphelela laphaza namhlanje ezilandelako ngezesizulu ngesimbi yakhomba, bese kusasa zikhona zeSwati ngesikhathi esifanako. Asihlanganeni godu ngokuzako inarha ilale.